I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to your plastic world.
All right, Professor here. You remember the cold bug I made? It's actually on a short video. I might make a short video out of this one too, but for now I'm just going to go with this. Anyway, I painted him with actually, where is it here? This here is a glow in the dark, glow and neon acrylic paint. And I painted him with that color and this one, which is a kind of more the greeny color. And then, of course, I did his eyes actually with a paint marker, and same with inside his actual. I don't know what you call those on a wing. If anybody knows what they call them, let me know, because I'm not sure. So I'm gonna put that back on so I can see what. Anyway, I'm going to attach him to. I call this when the cold bug comes in, and this is the season for it. When the cold bug comes in, you get hot and cold. So this represents the cold. This represents the hot, which could be the fever. This could represent the chills, which is like a tornado kind of idea. And it swirls around and the bug comes in. One of my viewers said that they thought that the bug was really cute and would want it as a pet. But I'm going to put him right, I think, about there. So what I'm going to do, so that this turns out properly, I hope, is put this so that I can get him glued in a good spot without making a mess. So I'm thinking that I'm going to glue the back of this first. I'm actually going to put some what do they call it on it? And hopefully where I line this up, it's going to be good. I'm actually going to put some epoxy resin on it because I did another job that I had a heck of a time with. And I want to put him there. So I'm hopefully, I don't want to hit it with that zap kicker really yet, because if I do, it might make the paint go a little funny. Now what I'll do is I'll tilt him like, oh, that's what I didn't want to happen. And it happened. Okay, so now do I have enough glue on there? I should have enough glue. I'm hoping I do. Hope I put him in the same spot again. Yeah, I'll put him right there. Okay, so what I might have to do is do what I said I didn't want to do. I never seem to prepare myself for this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, without, man, it always turns out to be a mess for me. Okay, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to reach way over here and grab the kicker, and hopefully it doesn't make a mess out of my paint job. I just stuck right to the wing. There we go. Let's see if that helps. The kicker's in. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay, he's stuck. Okay, so that means I don't want to make a real mess, but I can see where it's run down, which is okay. Now I think he's stuck down there too, which is good, but the wing's not stuck. So what I'm going to do is play it safe. I'm going to put him there like that so you guys can admire it. Hopefully admire it. I'm going to reach over top of this because I'm always excited, but never prepared. I'm going to turn this so I can see what this camera's doing without jiggling it too much. It's not the center of attraction here, but okay, so this is actually the rosin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of this on the back of the wing there without making a real mess, if I can. This stuff actually works pretty good because what happens is when you hit it with the light, and it does what you want it to do. Actually, look, I don't know if you can see how good that's that's glowing. That's pretty wild with that. It glows. Wow. Wow. Can you see this? Not that great, eh? But you should. Wow. Is that ever neat? Blacklight is just the coolest. Doesn't do nothing to that, but boy, does it do something to the bug itself. Wow. So I'm gonna put that down like that. Okay, so we'll turn that off for now. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Now, I wanted to show you while he's curing up, which I probably left some here, so that'll make things sticky if I don't clear that up. Okay. Now, what was I going to show you? Oh, I was going to show you these acrylic marker set. Let me pop this back on so I can see what I'm doing. See if you can see this okay. This is the actual marker set. Marker set. Why am I saying marker set? This is the paint set. There's the colors. And these are the neon colors. So that's a lot of fun. Now, when I painted the fire, I used this stuff here. That's the yellow I put on first. The orange that's in it. And then I have the red, the big bottle of red. And this blue here, turquoise actually, is the color for the actual tornado part. Of course, I mixed it up in that. That can go aside. All right. So there he is. Now, I haven't got this completely the way I want it yet. But here we go again with a light up feature. Now, let me plug this in without disturbing anything else. Now, let's turn this back on so I can see. And we're going to light this up. There you go. Now, that's really cool. So, if I can pick this up, I think I can. This is what's going on. Now, it looks like lava at that point. Let's see here. Whoa. Is that not cool or what? Yeah. And then it'll go back and forth. And I'll make a nice stand for it. Or I could just glue it right on there and just put it in the cabinet. It's pretty neat the way it is. Let's get it closer for the bug. And there's the tornado part. And like I said, this is my vision. This is my vision of a cold system that comes in. You can get colds in the summertime. It doesn't seem to make much difference what time of the year it is. It depends upon if you get the bug or not. So anyway, what do you think of this project? And he should be secured pretty good now. There he is. Oh yeah, I thought he'd be great there at the top. I was going to put him at the top at the beginning, but then I thought, no. I think I'll have him coming in so that he's part of the situation. And also, I was going to do black around here. I still might, but I kind of like the colors coming through, framing it off like that. So there you go. So what does everybody think about that? I think it's really, really cool. I'm excited. Just so excited on how that turned out. And oh, I forgot to explain to you. This actually here is made out of clear TPU. So this is all clear. And actually, I had a couple problems where the nozzle clogged up. So I actually finished these off with the filament pen, and then finished it off with actually the rosin, and then I drooped it upside down to actually make the things pull off like like flames. So you don't have to be a great painter either. That's the fun about it. So anyway, till the next video.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.